Hi there, welcome back to YouTutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to start on YouTube in 2021. Let's get this video a-rolling. Now the first tip I have for you is to stop procrastinating and make your channel now. Waiting for the right moment will never get you to starting on YouTube. So start now and stop waiting. Now okay, you got your channel ready, now what? You need your gear. So I recommend you look around your house, see what gear you have, whether it's a camera, a chair to sit in, a computer or a laptop, whatever you have. Gather around if you're able to use it and use it to make your videos. The best beginner camera I recommend is the C920. It's a $90 budget camera you can find on Amazon. Trust me, you'll like it because it runs at 1080p, 30 FPS. It's a great starter camera. I fully recommend it. Now you want to upgrade your mic quality. I recommend the Fi-Fi mic. You can find it in the link in the description below. It is a $20 microphone you can find on Amazon. I fully recommend it. I'm using it right now actually. I really recommend it because it has high quality, good sounding audio, very crisp. It is a great starter mic. So now you have your microphone and your camera. You need good lighting. So I recommend ring lights. You can find them around $15 all the way up to like $100 on Amazon. They have a variety of different types of ring lights. I recommend you just go around and try to find one that you like. They usually all have around 3 colors when they're around the budget price. And they have a really good variety of brightnesses to fit every need. Okay, so now you have all your gear. Now what? You need your software. If you're running a computer, I recommend using DaVinci Resolve. It's a great starter editor. There isn't a premium you can buy to it, but without it, you do not need any of that. It gives you all the tools you need to make quality videos, even on a budget. So now you need a recording software. What do you need? You need OBS Studio. This one is completely free. Everybody uses it. You can use it to live stream. You can also use it to record. I fully recommend it. It is just the best recording software out there at this moment. Now, if you're on phone, I recommend for the editor, I recommend KineMaster. It is what I use right now. It is amazing. I love it. It is full of tons of things you can use. And there's also a premium to get rid of the watermark. It's not much, like $2 a month. It is a great deal. I recommend it. Now, I do not know at this moment for iPhones. I might make a video later on in the future about editors for phone, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for joining me on this video today. If you enjoyed it or if you learned anything from it, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell for not missing any more future videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.